Pakistan's bustling business environment, hinting at the demand for importing goods. Pakistan's business world is growing fast, but importing goods reliably and cost-effectively can be a challenge. Introduction to Express Cargo Service. Express Cargo Service team at work loading, customs assistance, etc. Express Cargo Service makes importing easy from China, Dubai, and the USA. Whether it's for commercial or household items, we bring it all directly to your doorstep. Air and sea freight options. By air. Need it fast. Our air freight service brings your goods in record time. Ideal for urgent shipments, air cargo loading, planes taking off, and quick processing. Delivery times 10 to 15 days and examples of suitable goods. Quick, reliable, cost-effective for urgent needs. By sea. For larger shipments, our sea freight offers cost savings. Perfect for bulk items with flexible timelines. Containers on a ship, docking, unloading. Delivery times 40–45 days and examples of bulk goods. Economical. Ideal for bulk shipments. We don't just move your goods, we help you save. With transparent pricing, you'll know exactly what to expect. Our team handles customs, reducing the hassle so you can focus on your business. From small shops to large enterprises, hundreds of Pakistani businesses trust Express Cargo Service. Hear how we help save time and money. Visit www.expressclearing.pk.com $2,213,333,211,151. WhatsApp 923,213,893,692. Call us today and let us handle the rest.